My dear students, some more questions I am going to explain on linear equation in two variables. Actually the chapter is very easy. Only you have to concentrate your mind on the topics what I am teaching you. It is my guarantee, if you will see nicely my video, you will get the same knowledge which you are getting in the classroom. Each and every thing which arises in the solution of the question, I explain nicely. Here you see one equation is given and then you have to find out their solution, its solution. In the case of linear equation, here you see question itself I am writing. Write any four solutions of the following equations. One question, sub question, 2x plus y is equal to 7. Another, pi x plus y is equal to 9. One more I am writing here. X is equal to 4y. Do one thing. Answer 1. Here what happened? 2x plus y is equal to 7 you are writing. In this case, you make one table here. First of all, you keep y variable, two variables are there. One is x, another is y. Better you keep y in the left hand side and the rest of the things you send it to the right hand side. So, y is equal to how much you are getting? 7 is there. This 2x will go to the right hand side. When this 2x goes to the right hand side, then what would happen? Do you understand? This plus 2x is there. So this will be minus 2x. Here, one table you make here. How many solutions are asked? You see, 4 solutions have been asked. Here I am writing x. Here I am writing y. One solution will be here, another will be here, third will be here, fourth will be here. If 5 solutions would be asked, then what I had to do? We have to extend the table. You see, in this equation, x is called independent variable, but y is called dependent variable. What is the reason to call so? The value of x, whatever you like, you put the value of x, but the value of y will depend on x. Example, if x is equal to 0, now you think like that, I am taking 0, you may take 1, you may take minus 1, you may take 2, you may take minus 2. It is up to you. Whatever you want to take for x, you may take. There is no restriction. What value of x you are supposed to take. Here, dear friends, I am writing here 4x 0. So y is equal to what will happen? Do you understand? Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. Ultimately, 7 minus 2 into 0, 0. Now you are getting 7. So I have written x instead of x. I am writing here 0. So y is equal to 7 you are getting. If x is equal to, you tell what you want to take. Suppose you want to take 2. You take better. Y is equal to, what will happen? Do you understand? 7 minus 2 into 2. For x I have taken 2. Some of the students may take x is equal to 3. Okay, you take here. Then in that case what will happen? Do you understand? 2 into 3, 6. Here what happens? 7 minus 4. You are getting 7 minus 4. You are getting 3. So dear friends, x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to, you are getting 3, like that. If x is equal to, you are writing, you take, you may take 4 also, minus also you can take, minus 2 suppose you are taking. Then what will happen? Do you understand? Y is equal to 7 minus, actually what happens? 2x. So instead of x, what I am going to write? Write in bracket minus 2. So you are getting 7 minus plus. You multiply it. 4 you are getting. So 7 and 4, 11. You are writing what? X is equal to minus 2. Then y is equal to 11. If, here itself you see, if x is equal to, here I don't have a space, so I am writing here. X is equal to, you like whatever. Suppose you are taking 5. Okay, 5 I am taking. Then what will happen? Do you understand? X is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 means what? Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 5. You are getting 7 minus 10. Ultimately you are getting what? Minus 3. Minus 3 you are getting here. So x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 3. Therefore, 4 solutions are what? First of all, you have to mention x value and then y value. Therefore, 4 solutions are 0, 7, 2. First of all, x. 2, then 3. X is equal to minus 2. Then 11. Y is equal to 11. Minus 2. Then 11. And one more is there. And 5 minus 3. X value should be first of all. Then y value. My dear student, please take. In this way, is there limitation to get the solution? Infinite number of solutions, infinitely many solutions you will get, because there is no limit of taking the values of x. You may take 1, 2, 3, 4, minus, plus, whatever you like. So in this condition, infinite number of values you can take for x. So infinite number of values of y you will get. So there is no limit. So my dear student, very first question in exercise 4.2 is given, that one equation will be given, and then you have one equation in 2 variables will be given, and you have to identify how many solutions will be there. 1 solution, 2 solution, 3 solution, 4 solution, many solutions. What will happen? Do you understand? Many solutions. As here in the question it has been asked only 4 solutions, so I have written 4 solutions. If here could be asked 5 solutions, I was supposed to write 5 solutions. So there is no limit. Now the first one I have done. The second one you see. I am going to rub it. You should also write. the second one you see, second one, pi x plus y is equal to 9 is written. Here you do one thing, y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Here you see, again you make one table. X, y. Here the value of x, whatever you want, you write. If x is equal to 0, you may take 0, then what will happen, you understand? Y is equal to 9 minus pi into 0. 9 minus pi into 0 is what? 0. So you are getting what? 9. You write x is equal to 0, y is equal to 9. If x is equal to, suppose you are writing 1, then what will happen? You don't think that from where I am bringing x is equal to 1. I told you it is up to you what value of x you want to take. X, y is equal to, then what will happen? 9 minus pi into 1. So 9 minus pi you write. X is equal to 1, 9 minus pi. X, if x is equal to, suppose you are taking 2, negative also you could have taken. Y is equal to, then what will happen? Y is equal to 9 minus pi into 2. My dear students, what would happen? 9 minus 2 pi. So you write x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. If here you write, if x is equal to, you take negative 1 minus 1. Then what will happen? Y is equal to 9 minus pi into minus 1. Here what happens, do you understand? Minus minus plus, pi 1 ja pi. So you are getting x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 9 plus pi. How many solutions you got? 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions. Therefore, 4 solutions are 0, 9, 1, 9 minus pi, 2, 9 minus 2 pi, and minus 1, 9 plus 5. Like that, 4 solutions you got. You may get 5 solutions, 6 solutions, 7 solutions. There is no limit. One equation is given, infinite number of solutions you will get. I should rub it now. One more is remaining. I think you understood. Now third one you see, third one, that is x is equal to 4y. I always tell you to write y in the left hand side and x in the right hand side. Bring 4y. Whenever you are changing totally, total of left hand side goes to the right hand side and total of right hand side comes to the left hand side, then symbol is not changed. So it will be what? 4y is equal to x. My dear students, so y is equal to what will happen? You understand? X by 4. Now You make the table as you are making always. One solution, two solutions, three solutions, and four solutions you get. X is equal to, suppose you are writing, if x is equal to 0, what will happen? You understand? Y is equal to 0 by 4. 0 by 4 means 0. So x 0, y 0. If x is equal to, you are writing 1, y is equal to, what will happen? You understand? Y is equal to x by 4. So 1 by 4, as it is you write. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1 by 4. If x is equal to, you are writing suppose 4, then what would happen? You understand? Y is equal to, instead of x, 4. So 4 by 4. 4 by 4, what you will get? 1. So you are writing here 1. 4, then you are writing 1. One more. Here you see, it is up to you what value of x you want to take. Negative also you can take. If, here I am writing for the fourth solution. If x is equal to, suppose minus 4 I am taking. What will happen? Y is equal to, as you are writing x by 4. Instead of x, what? Minus 4. 4 cancel. Then what remains? Minus 1 will remain. In this way, minus 4, then minus 1. Dear students, you tell what are the solutions? 4 solutions are 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 by 4, 4, 1, and minus 4, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1. What you came to know? When a linear equation is given in two variables, infinite number of solutions you can obtain. There is no limitation. In this case, only 4 solutions are asked. So, different values of x we are putting and different values of y we are getting. One more thing, which variable is called dependent variable? Independent variable. X is called independent variable because x value it is our fundamental right to take whatever I like. But y value will come from the value of x. So value of y depends on x. I think you understood.